Today I will start chapter 2. This chapter is about directed numbers, so I will later on tell you what is directed number. Firstly, I want to introduce positive number and negative number. The number you learn in primary school all are called positive numbers. For example, 2, 1 over 2, 0.7. Okay, all these called positive numbers. Actually, in this chapter, if I want to emphasize it is positive number, I will add the sign here. So the sign I add is positive sign. Okay, so this one I will read it as positive 2. Actually, it is the same as 2. Okay, they are the same. And then this one is positive 1 over 2, or you just write down 1 over 2. Both are okay. And then this one is positive 0.7. You can write down 0.7. Okay, so this positive sign, you can either write it down or skip it. Both are okay. Both represent positive numbers. Okay, then what is negative numbers? Actually, you see the negative number before. For example, the temperature in Beijing in winter may be, okay, it may be negative 10 degrees Celsius. Negative 10 degrees Celsius. So negative 10 degrees Celsius, that means it is 10 degrees lower than 0 degree. Okay, 10 degree more lower than 0 degree Celsius. Okay, then I will write down the negative sign. Okay, this one is negative sign here. Okay, so this one I read it as negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this negative sign you must write it down to tell me that it is the negative number. So for example, maybe the temperature in Russia in winter is more colder than in Beijing. Maybe in Russia in winter the temperature is negative 15 degrees Celsius. So this is called negative number. Okay, so let's look at example 1 below. That is the true or false questions. Okay, look at 1a. Numbers that are larger than 0 are positive numbers, so it is true. Okay, then part B, negative 0.087 is a negative number, so yes, because you see the negative sign here. Okay, so pay attention to that. Okay, it says 0 are positive numbers. Okay, so 0 is independent. It does not belongs to negative or positive. Okay, 0 does not belongs to either negative number or positive number. Okay, 0 is 0, does not belongs to either negative or positive. So C is false. Okay, C is not 0 is not a positive number. Okay, directed number. Okay, let me introduce what is directed number. So directed number, the Chinese is 有向數. Okay, that means shows you the direction. Okay, 好似指咗個方向俾你咁樣。So positive and negative number are called directed number. Okay, positive and negative number are called directed number. Okay, because positive and negative, okay, for example, positive and the negative, okay, they how to say, they are totally opposite to each other, right? So we say that they are directed numbers, but 0 is not a directed number. 0 is not a directed number. Okay, we didn't count it as directed number. So for part D is false. Okay, mark it down. 0 is not a directed number. So directed number, I just count that either positive or negative. Okay, then I will introduce for you one more word here, opposite numbers. Okay, what is opposite number? So the part E talking about that numbers that have the same numerical value but different sign are called opposite number. So it is true. Okay, for example, positive 2 and negative 2 are opposite numbers. Okay, we say that they have the same numerical value， 同一個數字 ，OK， but different sign，OK， the sign are different. One is positive, one is negative. Okay, so I can give you another pair of opposite number. For example, positive 1.2 and negative 1.2. They are opposite numbers. Positive 10 and negative 10. They are opposite numbers. They have the same number but different sign. They are called opposite numbers.